Hey YouTube, found a new portable oven and pizza maker from RoadPro at the thrift store. It was brand new for $5. They sell online for about $40 to $60. And this is what it looks like. And it's just a little oven that opens up. And we're going to try to bend those pizzas in there to make two little mini pizzas. So it's 12 volt. There's a high, a low, and an on and off. And what we chose today was Dr. Oetker's Giuseppe Pizzeria mini pizzas. And it is going to be pepperoni and bacon and mozzarella. Let's get started. Okay, here we are after half an hour and the pizza's cooking. I don't think this one's getting as hot as those lunchbox cookers, but we'll keep going. Half an hour. Here we go. After 1 hour, the pizza looks done and it smells really good. So all in all, I say this little portable oven made by RoadPro works very well. Enjoy.